We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM 27, State of Wisconsin versus Courtney Parilla. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Parilla appears in person with counsel Amber Sherwood. We're set here today in this matter for an initial appearance. Ms. Sherwood, have you went over the criminal complaint with Ms. Parilla?
I have, Your Honor. We waive its formal reading and we plead not guilty at this time.
Not guilty plea will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled to a jury trial. You would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. Are you still at 402 First Street, number 2? Telephone ends in 0955.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it a cell phone?
Yes.
May we send you text message notifications?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's get another date and time. And Mrs. Jose's case, correct?
Yes.
April 13th. I can do April 13th. Can you do, does that not work, Ms. Parilla?
Well,
That works, Your Honor. If she is inpatient for treatment at that time, would we be able to motion for a Zoom appearance?
You may. April 13th at 10, Ms. Sherwood?
That works for the defense.
April 13th at 10. All right, we will see you then. You can come get your notice and you're free to go. It'll have the Zoom information. However, Ms. Sherwood will let me know if you.
Yeah, I'll let her know whether.
All right, Mr. Anderson, Mr. Strelo?
Yes, Your Honor.
We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM 01, State of Wisconsin versus Benjamin Strelo. Appearances are the state appears in person by District Attorney Kevin Schmidt. We have Christopher Anderson appearing by video conferencing defense counsel. Mr. Strelo also appears by video conferencing, but capability. He has the ability to be by video. We're set here today in this matter for an initial appearance. Is this a matter that an offer could be presented today, Mr. Schmidt?
One sec. Oh, not today, just because it's a victim one.
And I believe this has a co-defendant with a female.
Yes, Jillian Scottson.
All right, okay. So, Mr. Anderson, were you able to go over the criminal complaint with Mr. Strelo?
Your Honor, we have, we waive further reading and enter plea of not guilty to the single count.
Not guilty plea will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled to a jury trial. You would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. Either Mr. Anderson or Mr. Strelo, is he still on Knollwood Court Northeast?
I believe he is, Your Honor.
And I do not have a telephone number and I need to get one.
Mr. Strelo, I can give the number. Please correct me if I say it wrong. 651-424-3628.
All right, no corrections. Mr. Strelo, may the court send you text message notifications of upcoming hearing dates?
Yes.
All right, thank you. We will do that. Again, you're entitled to a jury trial if you request one and a speedy. Mr. Anderson, let's get a status date. Mr. Anderson, you and Mr. Strelo may appear again by video conferencing. Mr. Schmidt, is this one in which I should look and find the co-defendant and place it around the same date and time if I can?
I don't know if they're still together.
Okay. Would 10:15 on April 13th work, Mr. Anderson, by video?
Your Honor, it works for my calendar. I think, Mr. Strelo, is that okay? 10:15 on Monday, April 13th?
Works for me as well.
All right, thank you. Then we will schedule it then. Video conferencing is approved.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If, Mr. Anderson, if this matter is something that could resolve, and I can't recall off the top of my head if this was something that, I know Mr. Schmidt had to speak with victims in the co-defendant case or whatnot, but even if it does resolve, it may resolve by video conferencing as well, if Mr. Strelo stipulates to such on the record.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. We are adjourned. Ms. Moegi, Moegi, go on the record in the matter 26 CM 17, State of Wisconsin versus Nicole Moegi. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Moegi appears in person without counsel. We're set for an initial appearance. Is this one that can proceed with an offer today?
The offer I'd make on this one would be paraphernalia as a forfeiture.
Do you know what that means?
Fine.
Yes, like an ordinance, like a ticket. Do you wish to accept that?
Yes.
Formal motion to amend,
So made.
granted, no contest or a guilty plea.
No contest.
No contest will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled, well, you're not entitled to anything, sorry. But I would be able to offer you the lowest court costs and fees. I do understand you have a financial situation, but I don't know, are you still on that Nelson Street North?
Yes.
Telephone ends in 5081.
No, that's not right.
Can I get an updated, please?
715-371-0561.
May we send you text message notifications?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to assess $200 due to your financial situation. You've been in front of the court multiple times, so I am aware of that. It'll be added to the fines and fees you currently owe. If you fail to pay your fines and fees, not only will the court enter a civil judgment against you, but the court will issue a warrant and you could sit up to 6 months in jail, okay? All right, you're free to go. Thank you.
Thanks.
Who is not having an attorney? Mr. Guy with glasses, if you want to come up here. What's your name, sir? We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM 12, State of Wisconsin versus Samuel Burquam. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Burquam appears in person without counsel. We're set today for an initial appearance. Mr. Schmidt, is this a case that could proceed today with an offer?
Yes, my offer today is an ordinance of the same charge.
Do you understand what that means, Mr. Burquam?
Yes,
Do you wish to accept that offer?
yes,
Formal motion to amend?
So made, and I would not object to a no contest.
All right. Granted, do you wish to enter a no contest or a guilty plea?
no contest.
No contest plea will be entered on your behalf. Are you still at First Avenue?
I'm currently living homeless. I'm out at North Branch now.
Okay, so do you get any type of, do you have a PO box or do you get
No,
general
no.
delivery
No, you can mail that stuff to my,
to that
address
First
on file,
Avenue
yeah.
address? Excellent. Do you have a telephone?
yes,
Does it end in 3000?
yes,
May we send you text messages?
yes.
And so now I understand that you have a financial situation. Are you looking for a job or do you have one?
I am currently looking for a job.
Okay. What I can do for you, Mr. Burquam, is I will set the lowest amount due to your financial situation. You're homeless. You're looking for a job, $200, but you are going to have to start making payments.
Okay,
At this time, I'll give you the lowest payment I accept at $25 a month. First payment is due in March, by
okay,
the end of March. I'm going to tell you, if you don't pay, not only will a civil judgment be entered against you, you miss even one payment, I will issue a warrant,
okay,
okay? And you could sit up to 6 months in jail. Very important that you at least pay the $25 a month, or you figure out how to pay the $200 off completely, okay?
all right.
All
Thank
right.
you, Your Honor.
Thank you. We are adjourned. You, sir? We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM 10, State of Wisconsin versus Riley Dahlberg. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Dahlberg appears in person without counsel. We're set today in this matter for an initial appearance. Mr. Schmidt, is this a case that an offer could be presented?
Yes. Mr. Dahlberg, did you ever get something in the mail about a diversion program from us?
No.
Okay, we have a diversion program where we sent an offer offering that prior to charging this out. It wasn't returned as undeliverable. If you wanted to, between now and the next status conference, we have a program where if you go to our office and you go through with the program, then we just dismiss these charges. Would that be something you're interested in?
All
Okay.
right, and it's a few hour program, so I can give you a little bit of time to do that, but if you don't have it done by the next court date, I'm not going to allow that to continue, okay?
Your Honor.
All right. No, we'll enter. Wait, are these cases that you want us to just leave and adjourn it or enter a plea on the today? Or what do you want to do with the ones that have this deferred?
Oh, I was just gonna have this set for a status and then he could just go to our office, learn from Shannon what to do and
Okay.
then do it.
Yeah, but we're off record. My question is, because you're offering him a deferred, do we want to actually have a not guilty plea on the record? Or do we want to just leave it as, put it as an adjourned initial appearance a month or two down the road?
Oh, whether it's an adjourned initial appearance or status, it does, whatever works best for you.
Okay, I think we should do an adjourned initial, because then we don't have anything on the record, and then it can hopefully just be taken care of, okay?
Yes, Your
All right, back on the record. Same appearances as previously noted. Mr. Dahlberg, do you think a month will be an adequate amount of time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I believe it does cost some money, but I'm not exactly sure. So you're telling me you think for sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I can schedule you for March 30th. Oh, wait, that's wrong week, or does it matter which week, Mr. Schmidt?
It shouldn't matter for these.
March 30th. And I can do 10:30,
That works,
okay?
Your Honor.
March 30th at 10:30, you can come get your notice and you're free to leave.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, let's make sure that we have your address. Is it PO Box 232?
Yep.
Okay, telephone ends in 1770.
Yes, Your Honor.
Excellent, thank you so much. All right, Ms. Trista Dahlberg?
Mr. Dahlberg, just want to head down that hall until you find a district attorney's office. It'll be on your right. And then
We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM 11, State of Wisconsin versus Trista Dahlberg. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Dahlberg appears in person with counsel Joel Feliski making a special appearance on her behalf here today. We're set today in this matter for an initial appearance. Mr. Schmidt, is there an offer that can be presented today?
we also intended to offer the THC diversion program in this one, but got no response. If she'd be interested in that, it would be the same thing she just observed with Mr. Dahlberg.
You understand that, Ms. Dahlberg?
I got that paper and I just didn't know that I had, like, I thought it was just offering me it. And I didn't know that I was supposed to like pursue it.
And
So,
that's fine. Do you want to do that?
yes,
I'm gonna tell you, you probably don't want to continue with having the PD's office because you probably have to pay their fee and do the thing. So you can wait until you, let's say that some reason in a week, you're like, I don't want to do that. I want to go to trial. I want to do have all my rights. Then you can then have the PD's office step in and go that route, okay? Because I know that they have fees. But that's your choice, 100% your choice in what you want to do, okay?
okay.
All right, but you do wish to engage in that program?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna set you the same date and time as Riley, okay? March 30th at 10:30, March 30th at 10:30. Hopefully you'll be able to knock that out and be done far before then. If you do, and I forgot to tell Riley, so please tell him.
Okay.
If you do this, you complete it all before that date and time, and the district attorney has your completed sheet, you will not need to come back to court,
Okay,
okay? Make sure you tell Riley too.
I will.
please. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Then we are adjourned. Mr. Felicity, I'm not trying to take away your business.
He
Nothing wrong
doesn't
with
get
that,
a
Your Honor.
commission.
I know he doesn't, but, oh, right, Ms. Warvis?